Hello and welcome everyone in today's English video. In previous video we have started lesson number 32, that is the noble monkey. Today we are going to see remaining part of this lesson. In previous video we have seen how the noble monkey, means the king of monkey, he helped to other monkey to go to the other side of the river. He had made bridge of his own body and he has helped to other monkey to jump to other side of river. We'll move to next paragraph. The monkey king then ordered the monkeys to rush to the other side over his own body. Means this monkey king, he has made a bridge across the river with the help of his body, and he told to rush to the other side to the other monkeys. The monkeys lost no time in following his command. The monkey king's body was being trampled upon and bruised and injured by the rushing hordes of monkeys, but he did not waver. The monkey kings lost no time in following his command. Means when the monkey king told or ordered to other monkeys to rush to the other side, immediately these other monkeys, they rushed to the other side. They have followed or listened the command or order of the monkey king. The monkey king's body was being trampled. Now trample means what? To beat down with the feet. Is when the other monkeys, they rush to the other side of the river. That time, because of their feet, there was a hurt to the monkey king's body and bruised. Now, bruised means injured, and injured by the rushing hordes. Hordes means what here? Large numbers of monkeys, means large number of monkeys, means many monkeys. They rushed over the body of monkey king. So the monkey king's body, it was trampled and bruised, or it was injured, but he did not waver. Waver means to become weak, means he was very strong. Though he got hurt, then also he did not leave his place. He kept a tight hold over the cane and the branch till the last monkey landed safely on the other side. See students, he kept a tight hold over the cane, means tightly catch the cane tree and the branch of the tree till the last monkey, it goes to the other side. By then he was badly injured and had lost all his strength. He fell down in a swoon. Swoon means what? Faint, means all power he has lost because of this situation. Now his body, it was injured and had lost all his strength, means all power he has lost, and in that only he fell down in a swoon, means he was not having any power now. The king of Banaras was watching this with amazement. With great surprise, the king of Banaras was watching how the monkey king is helping to other monkeys. He was touched by the bravery and sacrifice of the great monkey king. Sacrifice means offering of something, means help. Means this king, he was touched, means having an effect by the bravery and sacrifice of the great monkey king. Means he was surprised to see this bravery and sacrifice of this great monkey king. He asked his monkey to stop shooting arrows. The unconscious monkey, unconscious means senseless, means Beshuddha. This monkey king was gently lifted from the bank of the river and placed on the couch near the king of Banaras. The unconscious monkey king was gently, means softly lifted from the bank of the river, and he was placed, means kept on the couch near the king of Banaras. Maybe on that boat there may be a coach, otherwise on the ground there may be a coach for the king of Banaras. Near him only this monkey king was placed on that coach. The king tried his best to revive the great ape. Ape means monkey, means great monkey. Noble monkey is there, no? That is monkey king. For that the king tried best to revive. Revive means bring back to life, means bring to him to his sense. The king tried. After a while, the monkey king slowly opened his eyes. "Why did you sacrifice your life in this way?" said the king of Banaras. Means king of Banaras said to the monkey king that what? Why you did sacrifice your life in this way? "The monkeys are like my children. I am their chief and guide, and it is my duty to protect them." what the Monkey King is telling, that these monkeys are like my children and I am chief of their. Chief means I am the main monkey, and guide means I used to guide them, means I used to give guidance for them, and it is my duty to protect them. They are now safe and I die a happy death. Is what is telling, these monkeys are now safe and I can die a happy death, means I can die. I am glad, means happy, I could do my duty. So saying, the great ape closed his eyes forever, means he died there. The king of Banaras never forgot the great sacrifice that he had witnessed. Witness means what? A person who sees an event take place. Means with his eyes, king of Banaras, he has seen the sacrifice given by Monkey King, and he never forgot this sacrifice. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Now we are going to see the exercise of lesson number 32. Students, here exercise of lesson number 32, it is given that you have to copy in English verb book. You see the sequence according to the verb book, whatever sequence is there, according to that sequence this questions are given, that you have to copy. While copying it, you copy it correctly, copy the spelling correctly. This is today's homework. Thank you.